Alright, we've got another Garmin CIRQA update, and this is probably the strongest indication yet that Garmin is getting ready to launch its mysterious new fitness band. The latest discovery comes from Garmin Rumors, who spotted something Garmin probably didn't intend to make public. On Garmin Romania's official support website, CIRQA briefly appeared on a list of devices compatible with Garmin's health status feature. The listing was quickly removed, but not before Garmin Rumors captured it. This may seem like a small leak, but it's actually a significant one. Until now, nearly everything we've learned about CIRQA has come from trademark registrations, certifications, and retailer listings. This is the first time the device has surfaced on one of Garmin's own official websites, making it one of the strongest pieces of evidence yet that the launch is getting close. The listing also tells us how CIRQA is expected to work. Garmin placed it under devices whose health status information is viewed through the Garmin Connect app rather than directly on the device. That lines up perfectly with previous rumors suggesting CIRQA will be a screenless fitness and recovery band, with your phone serving as the primary interface. More importantly, the health status compatibility gives us a good idea of the sensors Garmin is expected to include. On existing Garmin devices, health status analyzes heart rate variability, respiratory rate, pulse ox, and skin temperature to detect changes in your overall health. Since CIRQA appeared on the compatibility list, it's expected to support those same measurements, suggesting the wristband includes a heart rate sensor, pulse ox, and skin temperature sensor. Earlier rumors have also suggested Garmin could include an EDA sensor for more advanced stress tracking. Previous certifications also indicate CIRQA won't have built-in GPS, meaning activities that require distance tracking would likely rely on a connected smartphone or another paired Garmin device. Garmin Rumors also uncovered another interesting detail. They checked more than 10 regional Garmin support websites, including the US, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and several others. Surprisingly, CIRQA only appeared on the Romanian support page. Their theory is that the Romanian translation picked up an updated version of Garmin's documentation before Garmin realized the product had been published. This leak adds to a growing list of evidence surrounding CIRQA, including trademark registrations, regulatory certifications, retailer listings, and FCC filings. Taken together, it paints a clear picture that Garmin is moving closer to officially unveiling the device. While we still don't have a launch day or pricing, accidental support page listings like this usually happen late in a product's development cycle. So if you've been waiting to see Garmin's answer to screenless fitness trackers like Whoop, this could be a sign that the official announcement isn't far away. That's everything we know from this latest CIRQA leak. What do you think about Garmin's approach? Would you consider wearing a dedicated health and recovery band alongside your Garmin watch, or do you think a smartwatch already does enough? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.